Now we know how to group by a single key, but what if we want to group by multiple keys? For example, what if we wanted to find the number of products that each manufacturer had in each category? This would be equivalent in the SQL world of doing a select manufacturer, comma category, comma count star from products, group by manufacturer, comma category. And if you recall, the data set looked like this. So we want to find the number of products that each manufacturer has in each category. We do this using the aggregation framework by having a compound underscore ID key. So rather than just say that we want to organize our grouped documents by manufacturer, I might say I want to organize them by manufacturer and category. And again, I get to name these any way I want. That's manufacturer, colon, dollar manufacturer, and category, dollar category. I'm having a